Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Co. So today's news is regarding the hijack and the piracy which has begun in the very busiest Gulf of Hormuz and the Arabian Sea. In this video I will tell you regarding the hijacking of ships and in respect to present condition and recent events which is taken place. So as known that the piracy or the potential hijack of a ship was found off UAE coast. The tanker was hijacked in the Gulf of Oman, and this incident is the same after the 5 days after a drone attack. As you know that the Hormuz is one of the world's busiest waterways, and the another tanker which got boarded and hijacked, whether it was for an false flag operation or the real reason for the same is not found. Basically, the hijacking is a seizure of an equipment, say aeroplane, ship, or any other, that may be also due to a threat of an force. In present scenario, the hijacking is an modern term of an piracy. So why the hijacking is been caused? The main cause for the hijacking of the ship may be due to fulfilling some demand, say money, or to steal the cargo and other valuable goods from the ships. It may be also due to the economic weakness, poverty, and joblessness, and political violence of the country and its large population. So, where piracy and hijacking are done at the proximity to major trade lanes, say to be an Gulf of Hormuz and Gulf of Oman, which create an opportunity for piracy or hijacking. So, I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.